Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Secretary General Jongka United Democratic Party bak Titostarwell Chyne hakalai potrik unai lur arajar apusan ulepente baka party kan sapat ka Thoh syaka Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change ban Pyrshah eka office memorandum melepen mi haka pratrik unai lur arajar apusan. Haka kerem kilat patai kubor bak Titos bolong ru unai lam kaliang yate. Hakasi Hills Autonomous District Council ulong bagajing Pyrshah kalong halor kadaw baka office memorandum glowing no eka hok jonki pat ba bakin yo lar ban pinsngo gajing sngo jonki ling baka public hearing.
Bede bat ketuk office memorandum kebami haka Pediatric benai bakandai sampai dengan senam pemerintah. Nah kalian ke parti ni lah ada mission nilai keren bat nilai rai ban ai dah kejing Thoh Syau Union Minister memberi pek ya ka Environment, Forest but Climate Change trong ka sorkat India. Jadi kami kejing Thoh saya dengan kalian kejong ada pengkreat ya kapan pak no saya kesini lagi mentah sini ada no. Bat ka nomrim ka bangi Pyrshah. Kemudian kalian ke parti ni Pyrshah. Mau kata kali ke stand ke parti. Bangi Pyrshah kan ke office memorandum. Balingi Pyrshah kadawi kalong ba kani ke office memorandum kalau wengno ya kata ka hok nani ka right ka fundamental right jongki pai ba bakin pensno ya ka jing snow ka jongki lembaka public hearing kamtam habede ba umat pok khandau ba kitip uranium baru nitip bude u mat pok khandau ba lada pendon kami u lada seyu lada tiu mendetang ba ka kta ya ka koi ka kia ni ka penjat sendan ya ka mariang ka bomot kitu kijaka ki balong saudong jong ni kijaka ti uranium num long shu ban thung ban tap long shu ban rep ban riang long shu ban rijing ri bat kham tam yangi ukhun ban ri tena ta ka dau lengkot kalong ba nakaliang ka parti kamot da lele lu ngim pat kwa ni dang Pyrshah ya ka jingti jingtmu da masyarakat leng banti uranium hang di state ka jungi kumbang ong ba kani ka kala pelino bat kala khangno ya ta kala ka kabu jungi ki pat ba ban penpau ya ka jing snow ka jungi kai ka jing kta kai ka environment ka bakta ya ka saudong ki saukun paro lemba kani ka kamut kala khangla ya ka hok trong pai ba tena ta kadaw nakaliang jungi ngin sa ai da ka jing Thoh sia ka ministry ba ka deban Pyrshah ya ka di ba ka juga poro ngin kentu ya ka sorka lemba ka parti bang idon lang sang government ba ka deban Pyrshah ya ka ni ka office memorandum sa council kadan kawi ka bor ba kata kalong ba kanu ka jing thu banti mar po khandau kadon ya kamti bana kaliang ka sponsor kadiban aya ka NOC dan ya ka jingpin tengah semua ba ka sponsor kan penamkam ya buat ka sokat ba kanamla ban makin le kanu kelam kayo ka jingpin ko sponsor.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madan Kumar, working as an associate professor in Christian Medical College, Vellore, in Pediatric Respirology Department. My main treatment would be with pediatric lung disorders such as asthma, recurrent chest infection, and then recurrent cough. So the importance of this is if you diagnose it first and if you treat it properly, long term the child will have a normal life. If you are not going to treat the child properly, what happens is the quality of life of the child decreases. That is manifested like not studying properly, not playing properly, and not behaving properly. So when we try to treat these things, the respiratory infections properly, most of the times they get better and have a good quality of life. So I am here to screen the children who have respiratory problem. I will be available in Dr. H. Gordon's Robert Hospital from October 1 to October 15 between 10 to 1 p.m. Thank you.